Namaste everyone, myself Dr. Ganesh Upadhyay, Faculty of NI Coaching Institute, Duliajan. We are going to organize free 6 days online workshop on upcoming exams in Oil India Limited for the post of HMB, Junior Engineer, Nurse Staff, etc. Our previous result only in Oil India Limited are as follows. In the recent result of Junior Assistant Clerk and Computer Operator and Assistant Technician ITI grade, 40 candidates have been selected. In the year 2020-21, 31 candidates got job from our institute in Oil India Limited. Again in the same year, for the post of HMB, out of 28, 25 candidates passed the written examination and finally 6 candidates got job. In the year 2017-18, out of 13, 11 candidates got job in Oil India Limited. To join the workshop, fill the form given in the link. Enrollment fee is only 99 rupees.